I love this car. Hello there ladies and gentlemen, my name is Owen and welcome to this brand new video here on Blurb. It's a lovely afternoon here in Wrexham. As you guys seen in my last video that I uploaded, I was saying goodbye to my Mark 6 Astra. And well, that also adds the questions, what have I got now? So for the last 2 weeks I have been driving it. I even had a deposit down on it 2 weeks prior to that, so I've known about this car for a good month and a bit, but I absolutely love it. It's an absolutely stunning car. My question to you guys was, do I go with a Vauxhall again? Do I go with a Beamer 3 Series? Or do I go for something completely different? Well guys, this is my 2018 Vauxhall Insignia. So this, guys, is my 2018 Vauxhall Insignia 1.6 diesel. Let's just open the bonnet. Lovely car. Look at the size of the engine bay on that, guys. So this here is the 1.6 turbo diesel 136 bhp engine, the experimental engine as they called them, but they've been going for a little while now. The interior on this car is absolutely stunning. So much more room in this than the Astra. It's got remote keyless start, which is just there. We're on 39,000 miles. It's got half leather seats, adjustable electric front seats. It's a really nice car. So much to have a play around on this car. You got the screen as well. The back seats, it's like a limo in this thing. I mean, look at this. Look at this, guys. I mean, you've just seen the boot. I mean, this is me. I mean, I've put that driver's seat to my comfort position, and I can still get in this car relatively easy with plenty of headroom, which is a common problem with these Insignias, is there's not enough headroom, but for me it's fine, and plenty of legroom, and it's just so comfortable. It's such a nice car to be in, and it's just a gorgeous car all round. Let's get out here. I've got tinted rear windows in this car. And would you believe that the wiper arm is actually an optional extra on these cars? LED daytime running lights. One previous owner, which was a company, and I've paid, well, I'll be honest with you guys, it is on finance, but I have put my Astra towards it. I got £2,800 for my Astra in the end of the day, and I've put a deposit down on the car as well, which is 250 quid. So I'm paying £191 a month for this for the next 4 years. But ultimately, guys, I paid for this car £12,000 for this. And I really love the colour of it as well. The colour is, it's called Flip Chip Silver. And it is such an unusual colour. Anyways, enough chit chat. Let's go for a drive. So here we are in my new Insignia. So first of all, just close the window here. So you get one of these weird keyless keys. I've never had one of these before, but hey. I've connected my phone to it already. Righto. So let's start her up. Okay, let's Let's go. Got a reverse camera as well, which is quite handy. I've got loads of gizmos, I would say, in this car. But it's such a lovely car, this. I mean, I missed the size of my Vectra, which is one of the reasons why I went for this. Was because the size of my Vectra I missed, you know, for putting tools in. And especially now fuming is with us, you know, tools, I need tools, and to put my jacks in here and all sorts, but also I needed a good runabout, something that's cheap on fuel, and this 1.6 diesel engine will happily chug away for me with that. So we're about to take it on the bypass. Let's take it for a quick blast. So here we go. Into second. There we go. It gets onto the bypass nice and easy. Got lane assist. I'm still putting my foot down. We're in 5th. This is the first car I've ever had with 6 gears. So we're in 6, and it's just nice and comfortable. This is what I want from a car, and it does everything I need it to. You know, it's quite responsive, it's good on the fuel, I'm able to drive it. The speakers are absolutely amazing, the safety features on this too, and it's much cheaper on insurance than my Astra. And I don't get that. The Astra is quite a safe car, 5-star safety rating on the Euro NCAP, but this is better. It's so much cheaper on the insurance. Tax is about the same, but then again, with the new legislation with the diesels, that's to be expected. But got stop start, parking sensors, reverse camera, a lovely, very responsive touch screen. You don't have OnStar anymore. Apparently they don't exist anymore. But dual climate zones. This is handy, especially when I have my partner with me, because she prefers her side of the car warmer and sometimes, and I prefer my side of the car colder, and that climate control is just fantastic. You got LED interior lights as well, which is handy. I love this car. I really do love this car. It is a big boat of a car, but it is one gorgeous boat of a car. So the other reason why I have stuck with Vauxhalls is the only Vauxhall out of the 5/6 we've owned that have gone wrong, and I mean catastrophically wrong, was the Vectra. But the Vectra is still going. It's still on the road today. And I'm quite shocked about that, because I would have thought that would have been it, really. It was close to going to the scrapyard many a times. But no, it survived, it's still alive, the Saphira is still alive, my Corsa's still alive, Sarah's Astra's still alive, my Astra's still alive, and this, I hope, will deliver the same reliability and dependability that I need from it. It's such a comfortable car though. I was pondering over the other Insignias. My dad is selling his Insignia and I was really pondering over that. But I needed something that had to do multiple things. Save me on fuel, be quick, stunning to look at, and I wanted it to look like my Vectra. I've missed the shape of my Vectra, and since these Insignias came out, I've always loved this shape. It always reminds me of the Vectra, and it is so long. It's so much bigger than my dad's Insignia, but it's such an easy car to drive, you know, to reverse park, to turn round in, you know, with the cameras and the sensors. Everything is very, very helpful, and I love it. It's everything I could possibly need from a car. I'm sure we'll be doing some tests in this car eventually, with fuel economies concerned, comfort, costs, what the reliability is, the things I like about it, the things I dislike about it. And don't get me wrong, there are plenty of things that I dislike about this car. My last dislike video was alright, but the one of the Vectra and the Astra that I did, the dislike videos on that, oh god, I wish I did my research, because some of the things were that petty that I had so many people shouting at me basically. But you're gonna get that, you know. We're now going to Morrison's. This is where I made my first proper video on my cars. I'll be honest, on my car at the time, which was the Vectra C. And that was a good 4 years ago. No, 3 years. Yeah, well, three years ago, I would say. But we're back in the same place as where I recorded that video. Now, let's just reverse back. I love the reverse camera. It just makes things so much easier. You can see exactly how close you are to parking. That's brilliant. There we are. And I don't even have a handbrake on this. I've got electronic handbrake for once, but hey, I've gotten used to it already. So anyways, guys, I know you guys have been waiting for this. I've been hinting this car for ages. Even if you looked on the Blurb TV Facebook page, I even hinted it on there as well. But if you would have had a look at my Facebook page, people have known for 2 weeks now that I've had this car. But for you guys on YouTube, some of you don't know what I've got. There will be plenty more videos on the Insignia soon. The name I have given this car is Nia. Just because of the colour of it, what it is, that flip chip silver blue sort of colour, and the fact it's called Insignia, I think Nia is an appropriate name for it, and I'm quite happy with it. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, why not leave a like and subscribe at the end of this video. And if you want to see more as well, or you want to see something in particular about this car, or the Corsa, or even the Mark V Astra, which we still have, then leave a comment at the end of the video. So anyways, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. I want to thank you guys for the support that I've been having. I'm sad to see the Astra go, but I know it'll be going to a good home. It's got every receipt going for it, and it's not long had the cam belt done, and I'm glad it's going to go to a well-deserved home. I looked after it for the 3 years that I owned it. You guys were with me when I bought that car. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.